Page 42. Yesterday, we determined the best fit line. We have the intercept, the slope, and that's assuming a linear model. Again, not every relationship between X and Y are linear, but if it is, then this will be the formula. And of course, there's a formula for the intercept and a formula for the slope. I do not recommend you doing these on a calculator. Why? Because once they give you all this, we're gonna ignore this because I'll be on the midterm I'll be shaking, but I'm more confident doing this on Excel. So as a review, I know we went pretty fast last night about this question. So on the exam, I'd be like, okay, I have the Excel input already. So I just enter X bar is 7.794. SX is this. Y bar is this. Like I'm much more confident on Excel. And the correlation, if it's negative, make sure you put it negative, but in this case it's positive. So there you go. We got the answer right away. We got the R squared, the slope, the intercept, the regression equation line. Once we have the regression equation line, we can start making predictions by plugging in the X value and the actual Y value. So that's where we left off yesterday. So let's go from there. Okay, would you like me to show you the formulas for this? This is a very important one because this can cover like 8 marks. Okay, let's do this. I'm gonna erase all this. This is me being generous here and give you a taste of what you can expect if you choose to download my Excel video. So Y hat is the predicted Y given any value of X, assuming that you do not extrapolate. More on that later. So how do you find the R squared? Literally just do enter. Here, let me make it a little bigger screen. Again, this is not Excel tutorial, but it is so important. So for this cell, R squared is just the square of the correlation. So I'll just do that squared. Again, feel free to take a screenshot, but please delete my face because I might be flicking and maybe an unflattering screenshot for me, but you don't care about how I look. So there you go. And then here I just do equal to this and then make that into a percent using this symbol. So the interpretation of R squared is not just saying goodness of fit. There's a better way to explain it. About 29% of the variation in Y can be attributed or can be explained by the X coefficient, X variable. And then the slope, as you know, is R times SY over, X SX. So the correlation, I love brackets, so I'm gonna do bracket. And then the standard deviation of Y divided by the standard deviation of X. Like that, take a screenshot of that. So that's how you find the slope coefficient. And once it's pre-formulated, you don't have to worry about it on the midterm. It's already there for you, just don't mess it up, right? So once it's pre-formulated, I don't have to be entering these formulas. And the intercept is Y bar, which is mean of Y, minus, I like brackets, so bracket times the slope times the X bar, which is mean of X. There we go, take a screenshot of that. Good. And there we go, there's my intercept. And then literally the intercept, I just make this equal to here, this one. And the slope is equal to that. And there you go. Now I know this is my Y hat linear regression line.